Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a mind-blowing cinematic masterpiece, just like this.
When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you.
I'm not sure I can, Dad.
I'm a Viking!
It's okay. I won't hurt you. I can't believe it. I think we can be friends.
The best part? You can create a video like this right from your computer using the AI tool we're showcasing today, Focal. Focal makes it incredibly easy to bring your creative visions to life. From crafting stunning, consistent visuals and dramatic lighting, to generating dialogue and soundtracks, it's all done with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I used Focal to create the cinematic experience, step by step. Even if you're starting from scratch, no worries. I'll show you how Focal can help you brainstorm a compelling plot, create a mood board, and generate stunning visuals in just minutes. So stick around. Let's dive into Focal and make some movie magic. Head over to focal.com using the link in the description and click Get Started. Create an account with Google, so after login, you will get some credits. Script writing. You can start a new project based on an idea, or from a script. Type your idea in the box and choose your preferred language. Hit Generate Plot. Your complete script is ready. Don't like it? No problem. Just hit Regenerate or click Continue to move forward. Or, got a script from another platform? Just copy-paste it here and hit Continue. Style, Visual, Audio. Start by writing your project title and selecting a global style prompt. You can choose from options like photorealistic, screenshots from an anime, digital painting, watercolor, comic book style, black and white pencil sketch, 1980s cartoon, Sherlock Holmes, 3D render, and more. Once selected, characters and locations will be generated based on your choice, and you can explore or adjust the prompts as needed. The platform also generates voices for your script characters.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
You can create character voice, click New Voice button, and select the voices from drop-down menu. Below, you'll find 5 chapters automatically generated for your story, which you can modify using the 3-dot menu. When everything is ready, simply hit Create Project. Tools and Timeline. This is the timeline area where you can bring your project to life. You can use the scroll to navigate and easily drag and drop components. The screen in the center displays your visual, while the menu on the left side offers multiple options. In the Create section, you can manually create new scenes-based image by typing descriptions, selecting characters, locations, items, attributes, and select the model. Then hit the Generate. Next is New Speech option here. You create dialogues by inputting text, choosing voices, and generating them. If you need sound effects, use the New Sound option to create and customize them, with timer settings and effects. The Create Video option allows you to create motion by type description. It also gives you the flexibility to select the start from and end with points for your video, as well as upload images and videos directly from your device. In the Style section, you can revisit or adjust the style you've chosen, such as photorealistic or other artistic options. The Voice section shows the voices already created for the script, but you can add new ones by clicking New Voice and selecting from the available options. In Characters and Locations, you'll see all the characters and locations generated for your project. Click any characters to modify it. Next is Chapter. You'll see all the chapters. You can update scripts directly here. In the settings, you can choose global settings, such as aspect ratio, landscape and portrait, the image model, SD3, Flux Schnell, Flux Dev, Recraft V3, and the number of images per generation 1, 2, 3, 4. Select the video model, Luma, Runway, Minimax, King Standard, King Pro, and select language from options, as per your need. Let's get back to the timeline. Click on the title of the chapter, then hit Generate Chapter Images, review the prompts and context, and click Generate. If you've enabled the Copilot feature, you can directly generate videos, though this requires an upgrade. The Focal created images and voices for your chapter. Once you're satisfied, select and hit Accept to. Add the scenes to your timeline. From there, you can drag, move, and adjust scenes as needed. Select any visual and you'll get options to edit, regenerate, or even animate. Use the snip tool to split a scene, and if necessary, the delete button to remove it. Don't worry, you've got undo and redo options to fix any mistakes. You can also zoom in and out of the timeline. You can control the playback speed from here. Use this bottom bar to move left to right timeline. Also, you can make full screen view from here. Now, let's select the first visual and click Animate. Select Auto-Generated Animate Prompt or Create Custom. Wait for it. Let's play. Wow, that's amazing.
When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you.
Don't forget to check your credits, also the usage, and upgrade if needed for more features. You can share your thoughts using the feedback button or start a chat for assistance anytime. If required, you can regenerate dialogues, select voices from the options, and drag and drop them into the timeline. Sound effects can also be created and added in the same way. Let's play the video.
When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you.
I'm not sure I can, Dad.
Adjust the timeline as necessary and repeat the process for the next chapters. Generate the prompts, accept them, add to the timeline, and animate it. Once all chapters are ready, click Export, add your description, include subtitles. After exporting, you can preview the video in the player.
When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you.
I'm not sure I can, Dad.
Explore videos created by others, and use the three-dot menu to download the video. Start with the free plan to explore how it works and see the magic for yourself. Once you're ready, you can choose the perfect plan that fits your needs. Starter, Standard, or Pro. Use this promo code to get 20% off. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts on this magic. And don't hesitate to reach out if you need more details. I'm here to help. Bye-bye.